Good morning, everyone. Basically, what we're going to do today is do the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty and where it can open and how it can behave today. So, if you take a stock of the global markets, if you look at it, they are pretty much positive to flat. Nikkei was closed yesterday and now it is open by almost 1.24%. And uh, the Asian markets are seem to be doing well, and in the futures of SGS60 is going to open flat. Okay, so if you look at the US markets, they had a run up yesterday, and then they cooled off. So basically what this is showing is that the markets might be sideways to negative today, right? And even if you look at the charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's have a close look on how did Bank Nifty behave yesterday. So if you look at Bank Nifty yesterday, after a clean run up from the lows of almost 36,000, now it is sitting at 38,800. But now if you look at this particular move, the move has contracted. It is not as volatile as this one. The move has contracted. So what this is showing is that the bulls are taking a breather, and they might consolidate in this particular range today. And if we're able to get a breakdown here, directly we're looking at 38,300. Okay, same thing with Nifty. So if you look at Nifty, there's a complete run up, and then Nifty closed at day's low, which means that Nifty is weaker than Bank Nifty. Okay, so here if you look at this particular structure, it closed below VWAP, and then there is a very good possibility that if we can open here, that we might be filling this particular gap. Okay, so if I have to trade today, ideally I would look at either a sideways position or a position towards the downside. Okay. Also, I would want to give you guys option strategy that you can use for today. Since this is the market view, what you can also do is do this particular strategy, which is called as a broken wing butterfly. So basically, if you look at this, if the market continues to go down, you continue to make profits, and the margin required is only 38,000 rupees. Okay, so basically, you can have two sell legs, which is 17,700 on CE and PE, and then you can go ahead and buy a 17,650 PE and 17,800 CE. Okay, so in this particular strategy, it's a limited loss strategy. And then how it will help you is that there is no risk towards the downside. On the upside is where you'll have to manage, or the loss is going to be very, very minimal if the view goes wrong. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content and wishing you a very great trading day. Thank you.